I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to create a website for you to put links on that you want your kids to go to so that they can get to these links and videos and games very quickly whenever you take them to Computer Lab or they're on computers in your classroom. I've used Google Sites in the past for this, and it's not the most user-friendly website creator, especially for someone new to working with websites. But this one is, and it's called S'more.com, and we're going to click Try S'more Now, and you can sign in using your email address. Okay, so it's like an online flyer. That's why it keeps talking about flyer, but really it's just a website with buttons on it. So we're going to click Start New Flyer, and I'm going to click Class. It's just what type you want. And this is the generic one that it gives you. It's a city yoga class. And so you can start by changing the title. Okay, and then now there are different elements. You can have a picture here and put some text. So if you teach writing, you could put a funny picture here and a writing prompt and have them write about it. Here it's just a little announcement that you could put. You could even put a link. So say that I want them to go to Kahoot, because we're going to play a Kahoot game. Okay, I want them to go to Kahoot.it, and I'm going to highlight the link and link it. Okay, so now whenever they come to your website, they would just click on this link. And you can even add multiple links. So this could even be games to play today. And you could have links to a bunch of different games. So basketball game, and then you can highlight it, click the link, and then type in that long address or copy and paste that long address for it to go there. There is another one. I mean, you can put multiple pictures in, but also down here, this is what I use a lot of, this button. And so I might type the button or title the button. Let's do Penguin multiplication game. Okay, so now I'm going to go to a new tab and find that Penguin multiplication game. Okay, and here it is, the game that I'm going to have on play. So I'm going to copy and then go over here to the link and paste it. Okay, and I can click open in new window. That means it will open it in a whole other tab, so they won't have to like hit back to get to your page again. Okay, so here's the button. This is what it's going to look like. So they would just click on it and it would take them directly to this Penguin game for them to play. Okay, and you can put multiple buttons. You can just do a text thing, whether it be like a prompt, a writing prompt, or directions, or a to-do list for the day. You can also add forms, and this is a Google form. So let's go and get one of my Google forms. Okay, so here's one of my Google forms where you can sign up for my free stuff list. So I want to use it, so I'm going to click Send Form, and I'm going to copy this link, and now I can go back to my S'more and paste it. And so it's going to actually put this form that I have, it's going to put it inside this S'more flyer that you created. Okay, so it's not a link to go somewhere else. They can actually click it and answer questions. You can make it a quiz or a short answer, but they'll actually do it from the S'more page. They won't have to go to another site. So basically that's kind of the rundown of it. You can also add a video. I forgot about that. You can add like a YouTube video. Let's go find one. Okay, so here's my Plickers video. I'm going to copy this link, go back to S'more, and I'm going to paste it. Okay, so there's my video directly on my S'more page. If you wanted to, you could do buttons for it, and whenever they, like this, and whenever they click the button, it would take them to the YouTube video. Or if you just want them all staying on the same page, your S'more flyer, then you can just directly embed it right there. Okay, we can also embed a link. So let's go get a link. Let's say I want people to go to my Google site. I'm going to get the link, and then I can go back here and paste it and click embed, and there's a button to go to my page. So you can either do the add button thing, or you can embed a link, and it's pretty much going to do the same thing. The only difference is it's going to look like this. If you embed the link, it's going to pull pictures from your page that you want it to link to, or the button, it's just going to be this pretty little box. Okay, you can also change the background. So like the background right now looks like weights in a gym. I don't want that. I want, let's see. Let's do, I can do a track background. You can do city. You can change the colors, fonts. And if you change this design, then you get more backgrounds. So like I did handwritten, there's some watered up paper. I think there's an art one. Yeah, there's some paintbrushes. It gives you more color options that work with that background. But whenever you're done, you're going to click Save Now, and then you're going to click Done Editing. Okay, it's saying that I have some boxes that I didn't finish. Let's do this. Let's cancel it. Okay, and this is the link that you would give the students. So they would go to s'more.com/ and then whatever little 5-character code is right here. Mine is ST474. That's what they would go to. They would not type in edit, but it would just be s'more.com/ and then that little 5-letter code, and that will always be the same. So whenever you want to go back and work on your flyers or change something, you just go and click edit. You just go to your flyers right here, and you would click on it, and it would edit it. Okay, so say that you no longer want them to play this game, you can change that.